दोस्तों, मूंखे हिंदुस्तान मां या दुबई मां घणी फ़ोन आया त भई सिमरन खे तव्हां कॾहिं था खणी अचो पंहिंजे शो में। सिमरन, यू आर इन गुड डिमांड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। त तव्हां हाणे असांजे स्टूडियो में आया आहियो, तव्हांखे वेलकम कयां थो मां, ऐं वेलकम टू इंडिया विज़न वेब स्टूडियो। नाउ द फ्लोर इज़ योर्स सिमरन। सिमरन, I think my audience would like to know about you in detail, not what they see on this YouTube and whatever it is. That's why you are on the show. So, तव्हां खां पहिरीं सवाल इहो पुछबो त तव्हां हेॾो एक्टिव कीअं आहियो?
That's very nice. At first, thank you so much. It's absolutely my honor to be here on your show, and you are a legend. And मुझे जाम खुशियां, बेहद खुशियां, of really greeting everyone. A global namaste and lots of love and warmth to everyone. Jai Jhulelal. A global namaste to each and every one of you, all the beautiful souls across the world. When you do something that you love to do, you are on a high, which is a natural high. You really don't need to think, and you just flow like a river, every single second into the phase that you're going in without ever giving it a thought that, oh God, you're doing this or you're doing that, and what's the time, and time to sleep, time to eat. So when you flow with whatever you love to do, you're in a different ballgame altogether. And that is exactly what I do. And that is why, yeah, I'm always my best self every single time.
सिमरन, तव्हां मूंसां ॻाल्हि कई त तव्हां US लाइ कुझु शो कंदा रहंदा आहियो।
Yes.
कहिड़े क़िस्म जो शो आहे US में?
मुंहिंजो डेब्यू आहे. I'm a television talk show host मां कंदी आहियां. It's a half an hour show जेको television channels ते ईंदा आहिनि, जीअं talk shows ईंदा आहिनि with rapid fire round. And मूंखे काफ़ी सालनि खां जाम ऑफर पई अचे, since 2.5 years, I received a lot of calls, where I was told to host television shows, television channels there. But the moment they would tell me for 3 months, we want you on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I should always tell them that I'm already booked and my schedule is very busy. So I really couldn't make it. It wasn't possible. But now, during the lockdown, I got this offer by TV Asia. They came up with this new show, Celebrities in Unison, and I was chosen and selected to be the official anchor for them. So every night, I usually sleep during the US time, the ET time and not the IST time, but it's absolutely a brilliant show. So we just had the show with Anu Malik sir on air. We are having with Arbaz Khan and the likes. We had Anuradha Podwalji's interview day before. So it's absolutely a great feeling altogether.
Simran, there's a lot of time difference. I think about 9 hours time difference between America
right,
and India.
Yeah.
So how do you manage it?
I don't think. No, not at all. Because I do this show like today, I have my interview with Georgia Andrani, and who's an Italian model, and the show will start at around 9:30, and it will go on till about 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and then I have to spend my entire shoot there. So, I spend around 4 to 5 hours doing that show. Then I do the Viral Singer shooting, because that's an online show, which also I'm hosting. We're looking forward to the singing sensation, who's the sensational singer online. And I shoot for that show. And then I shoot for my other shows. I make my clips, everything all night long. So I usually sleep in the morning at around 10:30 or 11. Yoga session starts, followed by my other live sessions. So my show with Rahul Roy, I have my show with other stars. So we ask them, what is that one thing, that inspiring thing you learned from any of your producers and directors? Like we had Isha Deol. So I asked her about, her mom and dad, about Dharmendra sir, about Hema Malini ma'am, and asking about how she really got inspired, since childhood. What did she see? And what was that inspirational message she received from everyone? And वो उनको कहते हैं कि राज की बात फाश कर लीजिए, जो कोई behind the scenes कोई मस्ती का scene हो, या कोई emotional scene हो, या कोई ऐसे prank हुआ हो, with all the Bollywood actors. The name of the show is Celebrities in Unison. So it's all about the Bollywood celebrities and, who really have created a mark on an international arena. So वो मजा आता है जब वो बात करते हैं. This no one knows. So even Isha Deol spoke about, oh my God, I've never spoken about this. मैंने ये आज तक बात किसी को नहीं बताई है. And for that fact, even Tanisha Mukherjee, what happened in the Big Boss house. She's like, I have never told this to anyone. Okay, but I'm telling you guys. This is especially for the viewers of TV Asia. So it's very much entertaining, at the same time knowledgeable. and a great learning experience. And what more do we want, especially during the time of lockdown when we're all at home, trying to be the best version of ourselves? This is the show which really gives you a kick.
आपके फैंस कहाँ पर है ज्यादातर? हिंदुस्तान में है कि अमेरिका में है?
I've been very, very lucky and fortunate. It's all across the world because I've been the cultural ambassador for Paris as well, and Dubai since the past 4 years. I've been very regular as a cultural ambassador and as a brand ambassador for several brands. So I think it's everywhere. USA, I go to, of course, I go for my shows to host absolutely magnificent concerts. But besides that, I'm also invited as a jury to judge the folk dance competition, where I won 18 consecutive folk dance titles in India and America. So actually, it's everywhere because I travel the globe and I work in Bollywood as well as Hollywood. So I've been very lucky to having worked with Michael Douglas, Roland Kickinger, Kyle Greens, and the likes. I think it's a beautiful feeling altogether. And for the first time ever, the Oscars Academy president, Mr. John Bailey, came to India 6 months back. And I was the one who got to host both the events with him as well. So it was the first time in 90 years. So I think it's everywhere. We are all global citizens of the world now. And as far as my arena is concerned, because my beauty pageant, which I won the title of Miss India 2013, where I represented India at Niagara Falls in USA again. So I think it's beautiful, to have people from across the world and win everyone's hearts. So I think, yeah, that's really lovely. So I have a lot of them in Paris as well, since I'm the cultural ambassador, and I've taken a lot of workshops across the world, right from Sri Lanka, Singapore, Zurich, Paris, USA, London, and the likes.
I mean, being an anchor, have you ever worked in Bollywood or Hollywood films?
Yes, I just had my debut film release, my Bollywood debut film release. Iska naam hai Zindagi Tumse, and there's a great role that I played. And my boyfriend's mom is Sadhna Singh Ji, who is very, very known actress here. And the film comes with a very, very strong message. And this is the best part I like about the film. So whenever I got offers for films, I know exactly what I'm looking at, what I'm looking forward to. So when I got this offer, I told them to make a few changes, and they were very much happy to make those changes. And I wanted to make sure that I'm really very comfortable in doing everything that they're giving me. So they had a swimsuit song, which they really changed, and then they really changed a little bit of script to allow me to fit in that role. And the director and the producer said, no, we want only you because we want the same look that you have, the natural hair that I have. So yeah, so I was very much happy. So this was Zindagi Tumse. I've already signed for my second film and my music album, which will be out pretty soon. It's already been shot. 60% is done. 40% is still left post the lockdown. Sindhi film ji already offer. I already signed kare chuki hai film jo nalo ai Sweni. Sweni is the name of the film, and it's all based on me, where I'm playing the protagonist of the film. So I'm very much excited. Jam khushi am okay that I got this offer of the film titled Sweni. Yeah.
It means people should wait outside your door to take your autographs very soon.
No, it's just that I've really received abundance of love from everyone. And since we're talking of Sindhi film, I'll definitely like to thank my producer and director. My producer is Anand Manwani for the Sindhi film Sweni, and my producer Sona Productions, who's producing this film. I signed for the film. I told them a yes almost 2 years back. But because my schedules were so tied up, I really didn't have time. But they waited for me, so I'm truly thankful to them. And my director is Tarek Bajji. And since we're talking of Sindhis, I'm going to also take this opportunity of thanking two gentlemen. One is Dr. Ram Javrani, sir, who gave me the opportunity to excel in the Sindhi arena. Je muke panjo penny showed, Global Sindhi Council, jo. And, unan ke itro banyo, sabni ke itro banyo that when the sab puchen pe, acha tu Sindhi aayi, tu cast pain, tu mixture aayi, chai, matlab ma proper Sindhi aaya. Aur muji mummy ke sabni ka wadhika khushi tadi thindi जॾहिं मां सिंधियुनि ऐं विच में कमु कंदी आहियां त आई सेड दिस इज़ अ ट्रीट फॉर माय पेरेंट्स मुंहिंजे मम्मी डैडी खे जाम वणंदो आहे जॾहिं मां सिंधियुनि सां गॾु कमु कंदी आहियां. सो आई वांट टू थैंक यू डॉक्टर राम जवरानी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द लव दैट यू गिवन मी. तव्हां एॾो भरोसो कंदा आहियो मूं ते दैट so many shows that you give me. And I'm also going to take the opportunity of thanking VSS जेके स्टार and VSS Dr. Raju Manwani sir, जे मूंखे youth ambassador ठाहियो आहे for VSSS. And I will definitely see all our lovely people in a Jan at MB Valley, Jan 2021 event. And thank you for giving me the Lions Gold Awards because sub Bollywood actors, yeah, we had the entire Bollywood fraternity was there. So this year I also hosted the film fair. I'm the main anchor who takes the interviews post their awards. So it was absolutely overwhelming to meet them at the Lions Gold Awards 25th of Jan and again meet them for the technical awards on the 2nd of Feb 2020 and then the 15th of February 2020 for the Filmfare Award. So I think it's a great feeling and everyone, okay, itro pyar milyo, all the Siddhi organizations, okay, invite you and they really felicitate me. So I think it's a great honor and a great feeling altogether to be amidst Sindhis and hane jekoma shuru kayo kam Sindhiyon je vicha mein, this will really go on.
How did you come in contact with Ram Jawarani and Raju Manwani sir?
It's been a very very different story. So I was when I was in Thane, I didn't have any exposure to go to town, but everything started when I started going to town to Jai Hind College, and my life changed. So I thank my principal Shivdasani for that, for really molding me completely. So I started winning competitions right from the dance competition. I was never allowed to go for a dance. The parties were out of question. We were never even allowed to go anywhere out at night. So our time used to be 8 p.m. We have to be at home, from tuitions, nowhere else. So the exposure Jai Hind has given me has changed me as a person, right from being on stage to winning the Best Expression Award for dance, to winning the Dandiya Award, to getting an exposure in the entire MSing world and becoming a RJ. So I got this lovely offer by Mohit Malani, who's from Indore and who was on my Facebook friend. And he offered me a Sindhi show. And I said, Sindhi show? And we will pay you everything that you ask for. We're going to give you all the comfort. You have to travel with us to Baroda and we'll give you all the comfort and all the ease and any package that you want. But we just want you to come amidst Sindhis. So it is because of Mohit Malani, and this event was by the Global Sindhi Council. So when he came to Mumbai to meet me and to sign the contract to book me for a show, he took me to Dr. Ram Jawarani ji, who had his Global Sindhi Council event. So that's where I met Pailaj Nilani sir and all of them. So it's because of him at his event that everyone said, "Icha Sindhiya." And I said, "I Bollywood mein, Hollywood mein, with all the legends. But Sindhian mein was first time." So this is how it just I got connected. And as Miss India, I was invited everywhere, where people used to call me to felicitate me. And that is where I met Dr. Raju Manwani ji a couple of times. But kadi gana na thyo, chota manja hamesha back-to-back schedules hunda huya. Like in 352 days, I do at least 450 to 500 shows in a year. So that is appearances as a jury. I judge competitions, dance competitions, as well as beauty pageants. I'm a lot into beauty pageants, not just on a national level, but international level. Right from Mrs. World, Miss Multinational, Miss International, international beauty queens are Mahobi Jam host across the world. The EMG Mulakat, Dr. Raju sir Sathi, event last year they had their event. So it's Bharti Chabria who said that why don't we take Simran Ahuja because she's really the best, with the Bollywood fraternity, and we should give her a chance to solo host this event. Usually they always have two people hosting. But thanks to Dr. Raju Manwani, when he met me, he was very happy and with his complete faith, he allowed me to host the event solo. So I think now the entire Sindhi community knows, and the best part that happened to me was, Harwani sir, that was last year's AXA event. And this was unbelievable because they were constantly calling me from USA, Ramola ma'am, and, to invite me to Barcelona for the International Sindhi Sammelan. And I had no idea because it was a WhatsApp call and she used to call me in the evening hours thinking that I will be awake. But evenings used to be so busy for me. My phones are always on silent and I don't look at my phones when I work because every single evening I have events, So I missed a couple of calls and it was a couple of days before I picked up a call and she bombarded me the first time she spoke to me. She said, "I've been trying to call you since 10 days and why don't you pick up the phone?" I said, "Sorry, ma'am, but by the time I call you, I think it's probably, somewhere else in the world." So I said, "I'm skeptical to call you, but usually it's just that's my busy time. So you call me at your US time because I'm awake at your US time. So my Indian Standard Time, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. is good for me." And that is how I was offered to officially host their event at Barcelona, which was absolutely amazing. The best time of my life, where I met Sindhis from 40 countries. And since I was there, I also plan to have Change, because I'm the cultural ambassador for folk dance. Our Sanji folk dance is Change. So we had Change there. We had a fashion show there, Chitesa fashion show, Penny the Fokayo, where we walk on Sindhi music, which I do it a couple of times at Jai Hind College. Okay, judging like Sarikana Jai Hind College में. त असां सिंधी म्यूज़िक ते 35 असांजा मॉडल्स वॉक कयो, irrespective of age, irrespective of anything. मां इंडिया मां हितां प्रोफेशनल आउटफिट्स खणी वई हुयमि ऑफ माय डिज़ाइनर कलेक्शन. मुंहिंजी फ्रेंड आहे जेके मूंखे डिज़ाइनर कलेक्शन हुन मूंखे ॾिनो, एंड एवरीवन वाज वॉकिंग इन द डिज़ाइनर कलेक्शन. ऐं जीअं मुंहिंजी सिंध ते असां वॉक पिया कयूं, एतिरो मज़ो अची वियो क्रूज़ ते. Plus 21st June International Yoga Day, because I'm the ambassador for yoga as well, where I receive a letter from Honorable Prime Minister's office for spreading yoga to the world. And Guru muke chayo yo that, you know, you are definitely, you'll be very good in spreading yoga to the world. Please do that as much as possible. So every single year, ma yoga workshops watanya on International Yoga Day on cruise te hoyo. So thank you very much to Satish sir and you know, Ramola ma'am as well as Nisha ma'am. कि तव्हां मूंखे एतिरो एनकरेज कयो ऐं तव्हां इहे सभु जेके अलॻि अलॻि इवेंट्स असां सिंधी कम्युनिटी खे ॾिना at the international सम्मेलन was the best time of my life I had. Thank you so much to all of you.
तव्हां मेंशन कयो कि तव्हांखे पीएमओ ऑफिस मां लेटर मिलियो एज ए ब्रांड
Yes.
एम्बेसडर फॉर योगा. हैव यू एवर मेट आवर मोदी जी?
No, I've not got an
कोन मिलिया
opportunity.
मोदी?
न, पर मूंखे जाम इंटरेस्टिंग हिकु स्टोरी शेयर करणी आहे. भई चवंदा आहिनि न कि नसीब आहे. I was just about to meet him when he had a protocol. त मां 2013 में ब्यूटी पेजेंट जीतियमि, you know, where I won Miss India Magnificent. And for my talent round, I performed my favorite Garba there. My outfits are the best outfits in the world. So even in Canada, you know, they always use my pictures, and I've been covered by all the publications around the world for my Ras Garba, since I'm the folk queen, winning 18 consecutive Ras Garba titles. And my outfits are like so huge. My gagras are like, you know, 10 meters huge, and they weigh around 10 to 15 kgs, which we wear and we dance and we compete, and I've won the titles. So, you know, when I performed that, everyone wanted to know what does it mean, you know, all the international beauty queens. So I said it has a spiritual significance. So they said, oh, we want to know more about this. Do we have a book on this? And I Googled and I said, no, there is no probably a book on this particular dance form. And then they said, why don't you pen down a book? I said, yeah, this is a great idea. So I came back to India and I started penning down the book. The name of the book is 9 Nights Navratri, which is authored by me, and which has only the live pictures. जेके मुंहिंजे papers में आहिनि, publications में आहिनि, like Times of India gave me the title caption Dance Like a Goddess, which was the best caption ever. I felt on the top of the world. त मां इहो किताब लिखियो, ऐं हे किताब was to be launched by our Honorable Prime Minister of India. That time he was our Honorable Chief Minister, and it was those 6 months जेको protocol हुयो. So all my tickets were booked to Ahmedabad by the ministry from here in Mumbai city, and by the you know, the ones who promote travel and tourism, you know. So they had booked me, and they said we would love to take this book, and we would love to take it to Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji, and he will launch your book. So all my tickets were booked, everything was done. Just one day before we take off from here to Ahmedabad, before we take on the flight, they said that the event is happening, and this is the biggest event that they used to have, which they still have it, which is known as, you know, in the month of Jan, they have the biggest event by our Honorable Prime Minister of India now, but earlier it was the Honorable Chief Minister. They said everything is happening, but our Honorable Prime Minister, due to protocol, cannot make it. So do you still want to come? You are most welcome, and we will make others launch the book, but it won't be possible by, you know, our Honorable CM now because of the protocol. And that is why my book was launched by the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Pratibha Patil ji. She launched my book then, so which happened later. So this was by the tourism, and bas milande samjho, I just couldn't meet him because of the protocol. He couldn't launch my book, and he couldn't attend any public event at that time. But everything was booked, all my tickets, everything was already pre-scheduled, and they were very happy to come across, you know, a non-Gujarati, you know, because the folk dance belongs to the Gujarati community, and someone who's been winning so many titles and representing India on an international platform. So we're really very happy to take the book to our now our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. But I'm still waiting. My fingers are
Yes.
crossed. I'm going to definitely give him the book.
Simran, viewers want to know your childhood. पंहिंजे
Right.
बचपन जे बारे में ॿुधायो.
Okay, I was
स्कूल में
very
तव्हां
different.
स्कूल में तव्हां मस्ती कंदा हुआ टीचर सां, स्कूल घुसाईंदा हुआ या सही तरह पढ़ाई कंदा हुआ, कीअं कंदा हुआ, छा कंदा हुआ स्कूल में?
मां हिकु ॾींहुं बि स्कूल जो न घुसायो आहे. I have never missed school in my whole life because my mom was only academics. You know, my mom was like, असांखे ॿियो कुझु न करिणो आहे, टीवी ॾिसण बि allowed न हुई. You have to just study in life and make something out of yourself. बस एतिरो ई मम्मी चयो हुई. न मॉडलिंग फील्ड अलाउड हुई, जेको मां कंदी आहियां. मॉम कॾहिं बि यू नो उनखे कॾहिं बि कंफर्ट ज़ोन न हूंदो हुयो कि मुंहिंजी धीअ राति जो लेट थी वञे. त मां जाम ॿुधियो आहे उन्हनि सां, जाम झगड़ा कया आहिनि मां उन्हनि सां. मूंखे जाम ख़ुशी आहे मां झगड़ा कया आहिनि बिकॉज़ इट्स बीन वर्थ इट. त बिल्कुल बि अलाउड न हुयो. इन स्कूल आई वाज वेरी क्वाइट. मां हिकु छोकिरे सां बि न ॻाल्हायो आहे स्कूल में. लेट मी टेल यू दैट. एंड बट आई वाज very very loving. I loved my teachers. That's the only thing I can say. And exposure bilkul na huyo. I was not good with my vocabulary. My pronunciations were pretty much vernacular, and everything changed when I just entered Jai Hind College. The first time I ever went to town was for my admissions at Jai Hind College, and I met Principal Shirdasani, and he changed my life forever. So for 5 years, consecutive 5 years of Jai Hind College, I was elected as the class representative, and I think that was really nice and great for me because I was elected as the class representative. So somehow people loved me and they liked me, but I think everything fell in place only after Jai Hind College. In school, I was really a very silent student, but I used to play hockey in school, yes, but with zero exposure.
ओके, तव्हां कुझु शेयर कंदा पंहिंजो एक्सपीरियंस सेट ते? तव्हां आनंद मनवाणी सां कमु कयो सेट ते, कुझु एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कंदा असांखां? तव्हांखे कहिड़ो फ़र्क़ु लॻो हिंदी फिल्म शूट करण में, हिंदी ऐं सिंधी फिल्म शूट करण में तव्हांखे छा फ़र्क़ु ॾिसण आयो?
मूंखे लैंग्वेज जे सवाइ कोई फ़र्क़ु नज़र न आयो बिकॉज़ मनवानी जी क्लियरली मूंखे चयो कि सिंधी फिल्म त आहे लेकिन वी वांट टू मेक इट यू नो ऑफ अ वेरी वेरी इंटरनेशनल अपील. यू नो वी वांट यू नो द सॉन्ग्स आर नाइस एंड म्यूज़िक एंड मेलोडी आहे. त मूंखे जाम मज़ो आयो. आई ऑल्सो डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि सिंधी फिल्म में हेतिरो मां करे सघंदमि, बट आई थिंक क्या इट्स बीन अ ब्लेसिंग. फ़र्क़ु सिर्फ़ु हेतिरो आहे कि पंहिंजी सिंधी ॿोली आहे त हुन में somehow you know हो प्यार मुंहिंजे ख़्याल सां हो प्यार जाम वधीक ईंदो आहे बिकॉज़ असां जॾहिं सिंधी ॻाल्हायूं, सिंधी ॿोली मुंहिंजे ख़्याल सां जाम प्यार जी ॿोली आहे. त असां जेके शब्द निकिरंदा आहिनि मुंहं मां एतिरा प्यार भरा आहिनि कि जाम मज़ो ईंदो आहे ॻाल्हाइण में. And Hindi film is like any other Bollywood film, and you just feel like an international star by God's grace, of course. But it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm very comfortable doing both the films. In fact, I've been.
मुंहिंजो सुवाल इहो आहे त सिंधी फिल्म जो बजट तमामु नंढो थींदो आहे, जो उहा बिग फिल्म कोन्हे, त हिंदी फिल्म सिंधी फिल्म में क़रीब आई थिंक 50 टाइम्स फ़र्क़ु आहे बजट जे अंदरि. त तव्हां इहो नोट कयो पंहिंजे सेट ते अंदरि?
वानी से मां हीअं न सोचे कि बजट घटि आहे त कम बि घटि हूंदो. मां कम ओतिरो ई कंदी आहियां. But honestly, it's got nothing to do with budget. It's you know the love and passion with which you work. And I've been really, I mean, he's been very kind to pay me really well. So I've been very lucky. At the same time, अगर असां सिंधी फिल्म था कयूं, असां पंहिंजी भाषा में फिल्म था कयूं, so there is no comparison. कोई comparison आई कान with monetary terms. You know, it is just that you know असां पंहिंजे सिंधियुनि लाइ कुझु कयूं था. ऐं अगरि असांजी फिल्म ॾिसी करे कोई बि यंगस्टर, कोई बि ॿार 2 या 3 वर्ड्स बि सिखे न तो बि इट्स वर्थ इट. यू नो, एंड असां हमेशह चवंदा आहियूं, मुंहिंजी मम्मी मूंखे जाम सेखारियो आहे बचपन खां कि जेको बि तूं लैंग्वेज ॻाल्हाए तोखे सिंधी हमेशह ॻाल्हाइणी अथई. ऐं मम्मी बचपन खां इहा आदत विझी आहे सिंधी सिंधी सिंधी. त इन करे मूंखे सिंधी बि सुठी ईंदी आहे. त जॾहिं मां सिंधी ॻाल्हाईंदी आहियां इवेंट्स में त चवंदा आहिनि अरे हीअ त एॾी मस्तु सिंधी थी ॻाल्हाए, पर तूं त सिंधी लॻे बि नथी. अरे मां त सुठी सिंधी ॻाल्हाईंदी आहियां, सुठो सिंधी छेज बि कंदी आहियां मां. त मां हुननि खे चयो कि प्लीज़ तव्हां मूंखे कल्चरल एम्बेसडर ठाहियो, छो त मां ॿियनि जी कल्चरल एम्बेसडर आहियां. त पंहिंजी फोक डांस जी छो न थियां, ऐं मां स्प्रेड ॿियनि जो कंदी आहियां कल्चर ऑल अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. त पंहिंजो कल्चर मां छो न कंदमि, मां ज़रूरु कंदमि. त उहो जेको प्रेम आहे, जेको प्यार आहे, त उहो त कोई मेजर नथो करे सघे. त देयर इज़ नो कंपेरिजन विथ मनी. आई न सफ़ा कंपेरिजन एज फार एज anything to do for the Sindhi community is concerned, and I will always be there for any single thing for the Sindhi community. हमेशा लाइ.
तव्हां पंहिंजी बेसिक पढ़ाई ठाणे मां कई, राइट?
Yes.
त हुते सिंधी स्कूल में तव्हां पढ़ाई कई सिंधी मीडियम में पढ़ाई कयव या कहिड़े मीडियम में तव्हांजी पढ़ाई हुई?
No, मां सिंधी स्कूल में न पढ़ी आहियां. I've studied in St. John the Baptist High School, and it's a co-ed school. But मुंहिंजे batch खां, of course, it's a nice school, brilliant school, convent school आहे. पर because मूंखे exposure न हुयो, because स्कूल खां पोइ सिधो घर अचिणो हुयो, ऐं ट्यूशन्स कंदा हुआसीं, सिर्फ़ु पढ़ाई कंदा हुआसीं, एतिरो एक्सपोजर न हुयो त जेको असां खेॾंदा हुआसीं उहो सिर्फ़ु बिल्डिंग में ई हूंदो हुयो कि बिल्डिंग में ई खेॾणा, बिल्डिंग जे ॿाहिरि बिल्कुलु असां वेंदा न हुआसीं. So I had a lot of Sindhis in the building, in the society. त उन्हनि सां बि एतिरो न हूंदो हुयो, बट घर में मुंहिंजे मम्मी डैडी दे मेड श्योर कि मूंखे सुठी तरह सिंधी अचे ऐं सिंधियुनि जे बारे में ख़बर हुजे. त मम्मी हमेशह चवंदी कि पुट असांखे जेको आहे सिंधियुनि खे सिर्फ़ु ॿोली आहे, ऐं असां न ॻाल्हाईंदासीं त केरु ॻाल्हाईंदो. त प्लीज़ जेतिरो थी सघे सिंधी ॻाल्हायो ऐं सिंधी स्प्रेड कयो. पर ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग सर जे फील्ड में मां आहियां मूंखे मौक़ो न मिलंदो आहे बिल्कुलु सिंधी सां ॻाल्हाइण जो. हाणे थैंक्स टू अगेन एवरीवन हूज़ पुट मी ऑन विद द सिंधीज़ कि हाणे मां सिंधियुनि सां गॾु आहियां त मूंखे जाम मज़ो ईंदो आहे. त लास्ट ईयर जॾहिं मां बार्सिलोना में हुयमि फॉर द इंटरनेशनल सिंधी सम्मेलन, everyone was like, all the youngsters were like, wow, Simran, you speak such good Sindhi. I said, I want you to speak as well. त मां सभिनी खे राति जो बि हिकु हिकु ॿ ॿ शब्द सेखारींदीमान. त मां चयो अगरि तव्हां ॻाल्हाईंदा न त जाम ख़ुशी थींदी असांखे, ऐं सिंधी लैंग्वेज असांजी जेकी ॿोली आहे अॻियां वधंदी. न त we have to just focus on that. ऐं कीअं बि करे make sure that असां पंहिंजे यंगस्टर्स खे बि चऊं, एनकरेज कयूं सिंधी ॻाल्हायो. ऐं जेके सॉन्ग्स हूंदा हुया त सॉन्ग्स लाइ मां इहो ई चयोमानि, अगरि उहो सिंधी सॉन्ग्स ते वॉक कंदा, बिकॉज सिंधीज़ आर रियली वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लुकिंग, ऑल द गर्ल्स एंड गाइज आर वेरी हैंडसम. त असां मॉडलिंग फंड में जाम सुठा लॻी था सघूं, बिकॉज बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस सिंधीज़ आर वेरी गुड लुकिंग. त मां चयो अगरि सिंधी गाननि ते असां हलंदासीं त हिकु ॿ वर्ड्स ऑटोमेटिकली असां ॿुधंदासीं त ऑटोमेटिकली वी लर्न दोज़ वर्ड्स. सो दैट वाज द पर्पस ऑफ हैविंग द रैम्प वॉक ऑन सिंधी सॉन्ग्स.
तव्हांजो भला तव्हांजे दोस्त, तव्हांजा फ्रेंड्स, स्कूल जा कॉलेज जा फ्रेंड्स हूंदा हुआ, तव्हां उन्हनि सां कीअं गॾजंदा हुआ, एज अ सेलिब्रिटी या एज अ फ्रेंड?
No, as a friend, of course not. Celebrity, not at all. It's just God's grace ki, that you come at this place. And, I've learned something. जेको मां, असांजी legend आहिनि जेके अनुराधा पौडवाल मैम, उन्हनि मूंखे ॿुधायो what she learned from R.D. Burman sir. And, उन्हनि चयो कि, Simran, this changed my life forever. ऐं जॾहिं मां उन्हनि जो ॿुधियो, मां उन्हनि जो इंटरव्यू पई कयां, जॾहिं मां ॿुधियो त it really changed my life forever. उन्हनि मूंखे चयो कि R.D. Burman sir said, उन्हनि खे चई कि when she used to go in the beginning for shows, असां जाम nervous हूंदा आहियूं. त चई, when you're nervous in the beginning, think that you are a star. ऐं हे जेके ऑडियंस वेठा आहिनि तुंहिंजे साम्हूं, हो कोई बि न आहे. They are nothing to you. Okay, but you are a star and they know nothing, but you know everything. But when you become a celebrity and you are doing a show, think that they're all stars. The audience are all superstars in front of you, and you are nothing. You are just here to serve them. And I think that beautiful sentence really meant a lot for me. So definitely not. I mean, I'm a good human being, and I love being a good human being first, more than anything. Everything else is by the grace of God. Yeah. So of course, I'm a good friend. I'm like just their friend as I used to be. But yeah, all my college friends and school friends are really proud of me because they never expected that I could change so much. In childhood, curly I couldn't handle them. So mom used to always give me a boycott hair because I used to scream. I had like huge hair and absolutely, like we Sindhis usually have good hair, So I wouldn't be able to handle them. So I always had boycott hair, So mom used to always chop my hair, and I never, knew, how to groom myself. So everything started with college, and yeah, so everything really changed.
Okay, तव्हां कोरोना टाइम घर में वेठा या ॿाहिरि निकिता कुझु?
मां घर में वेठी आहियां, लेकिन for the first time ever, मां ॿिनि ॾींहंनि ताईं, like I do the self makeup, basic makeup. मां ॿिनि ॾींहंनि ताईं makeup न change कयो आहे. Even this makeup is on from last morning because back to back एतिरा shows कया आहिनि. ऐं मां सोचंदी आहियां कि हे लॉकडाउन आहे, मूंखे आराम करणु खपे, मां कयां छा थी? I'm working for 22 hours. Like this is one of my studio, okay, where I do my shows. मुंहिंजो सॼो बंगलो जेको आहे स्टूडियो में टर्न थी वियो आहे. For Anu Malik sir show, मां स्विमिंग पूल मां शूट कयो. you know. And for Anuradha Podwal ma'am, my garden ma shoot kayo, the entire house, the entire my basement mein, you know, doing my show, that is the Viral Singer, ma sinunte, you know, I have marble steps, stairs, hutte ma carpet vishai kare, hutte ma kayo, and with blue lights. So I think my house has become a complete set with no people from the film world. I'm self-shooting everything on my mobile phone, and at the same time, you know, I'm doing everything on my own. I do have help, of course, in the house. Musagad Tiravan and Asaya Chiki help I. But it is unbelievable. Auma itro thaki pani hai nandiya jhatka ina ko ite sum pawani hai. Without thinking, taking a carpet, oh tikar chani, oh I have to send the shoot. Are ye program hai ke mukla, are ye shiva. So I mean like really, really, it's a blessing to me. Ma at the same time, itra shows kiya and jeko ma birthday penny kyo with Sharon Prabhakar, jeki India's first pop singer ra. Unna itro positive message, you know, much you must Sharon. How can we be positive? भाई world में हेतरो थे तो India में हेतरो तो थे. How can we encourage people to be positive during the time of COVID-19? The itro must na jawab nahi. The ero inspiration thindo. You know, when I meet such people. This morning I did my webinar. Then I had my yoga class. Then I had another webinar. And now I'm shooting with you. At 10 p.m. I will start my shoot for TV Asia. जॾहिं मूंखे जाम थकावट थींदी आहे ना हरवानी सर, I tell to myself, am I doing the right thing? And मूंखे मां चवंदी आहियां अहसास थींदो आहे, it's God's grace. I'm enjoying it, I'm loving it. Let's make the most out of it.
ओके, भला तव्हांजे सेट ते कुझु एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कंदा व्यूअर्स सां? सेट ते कुझु ग़लती थी हुजे या कुझु शूटिंग में डायरेक्टर तव्हांखे डांटी मारी हुजे?
वो सिर्फ चवंदा आहिनि कि ये करो, लेकिन जाम प्यार सां चवंदा आहिनि. I don't know why. They are very loving to me. मूंखे जाम चाहींदा आहिनि सभु. त ईअं गुस्से सां त न कयो अथई. सिर्फ जॾहिं you know, the first day I shot was the song दिल चाहता है, जेको मुंहिंजो गानो आहे फिल्म में, ज़िंदगी तुमसे. त हुन में मूंखे थोरो रोमांटिक थियणो हुयो. त was you know, I had met the guy for the first time. मुंहिंजो पोस्ट आहे पहिरीं दफ़ो मूंखे मिलियो हुयो. हुन खां पहिरीं ख़ाली हिकु रिहर्सल थी हुई, डांस जी रिहर्सल. And you know, that was 2 months prior. And my first time in Latin, I was a little bit at you know, discomfort. You know, tu ye romance kardi aayi, tende lover sa. So from that perspective, khali hotro chahiye ki, come on Simran, I want you to do this, but not really. Gusso kadi na khado aaye. But ma jam professional aaya, ma mehnat chawni hai ki ta muke ketra bhi takes mehnat karayo. I will not stop, but at the same time, you please you know, give me some time, because agar ma koi nahi shay kayan thi. So I think they are very sweet to me. I don't know why, Harwani sir.
तव्हांजी आशा चांद सां मुलाक़ात कीअं थी?
Okay, invite kayo huyo Ram Jabrani sir for lighting of the lamp ceremony. I was invited as the honorable chief guest. हुते मुंहिंजी पहिरीं मुलाक़ात आशा चांद मैम सां थी, जेके दुबई मां आया हुआ तंहिं महिल. Now of course she's in Bombay, but 2 years back she had come from Dubai. And last year she was also a part of the International Sindhi Sammelan, and we got to interact a lot. And this year, during the lockdown, I launched her channel. I was very lucky that she told me to launch her channel, which is Sindhi Sangat, and I was very happy to launch it for her. I would like to tell you all that please do something that you love to do. If you're passionate about something, zarur kayo, but always have plan B. Yo, मां हमेशा सोचनी आहे, जीअं मुंहिंजी एविएशन कंपनी आहे ऐं मां पायलट्स खे बि ट्रेनिंग ॾींदी आहियां ऐं यू नो एयर चार्टर्स कंदी आहियां. बट ऑफकोर्स बिकॉज़ मुंहिंजो करियर ग्राफ एॾो सुठो क्लिक थियो बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस, त मां हुनखे प्लान बी में रखियो आहे. बट अगरि तव्हांखे टाइम नथो मिले टू फॉलो योर पैशन, then fall in love with anything you do. Either you love what you do or you do what you love, and you will always be in that happy zone. And prayers work wonders. थोरो अगर असां मेडिटेशन कंदासीं, थोरो टाइम अगर असां प्रेयर्स खे ॾींदासीं, your mind will be settled, and that will really change you completely. So mentally, if you're relaxed, you can achieve anything in life and be successful. I'm going to take this opportunity of thanking you, Harwani sir. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Oma tahe dil sa tanji jam shukrguzar aayan. Thank you so much for all the love that you showered on me. Thank you pyar sa questions sa pucho pya. I'm truly overwhelmed, and I look forward to this video coming out very soon, jeko ma share kare saga sabni sagat. So thank you so much for this.